मोहब्बत है, मोहब्बत है is live. If you haven't seen it yet, guys, you got to go watch it now on Viral Originals. Hi, I'm Pooja Gujral, and you've met me, seen me before. But the most interesting part is Hina Khan and Shahir Sheikh are going to be here today just to chat with you. And we should have them anytime. Just waiting for their request. So, मोहब्बत है कैसा लगा भाई? इतने बढ़िया कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, मतलब कि मजा आ रहा है. एंड आई एम सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस चैट. इज समथिंग न्यू हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं. सो आई एम श्योर यू गाइज विल एंजॉय. एंड शहीर एंड हीना गोना चैट विद यू. तो अपने कमेंट्स भेजिए अच्छे अच्छे प्लीज, बिकॉज हम रीड आउट करेंगे एंड शहीर और हीना आप लोगों के क्वेश्चंस आंसर करेंगे खूब सारे. यस. Alright, I'm waiting for more people to join in. So आज 14 दिसंबर 2021 मोहब्बत है रिलीज हुआ है. A very 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 favorite director of mine, Mohit Suri, has directed it so fantabulously. And गाना जीत गांगुली सर ने लिखा है, कंपोज किया है, सॉरी, कुणाल वर्मा जी ने लिखा है. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस सॉन्ग कि मैं थोड़ा सा वो होगी, बट इतना अमेजिंग गाना है. इट्स वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट्स फॉर श्योर. Alright, I'm waiting. देखते हैं. Request to join. Oh, so many people are requesting, but I'm waiting for the real ones to request. Alright. और बताइए, आप लोग अपने comments भेज रहे हैं ना? Okay, lovely. Because we're going to read them tonight. Okay. बहुत जल्दी हमारे साथ. Oh, Mohsin. Hi, Mohsin. Okay, some of the people, let me read out some people who are joining. Oh, wow. Okay, there's Nandita. She says, we love the song so much. Amazing. Thank you so much. There's Tanu. There's lovely Agarwal. There is, there are a lot of people. My God, I'm just seeing. I'm just waiting. Actually, I'm very excited to talk to Shahir and Hina right now. So, मेरा इससे थोड़ा सा distraction आपको दिखेगा. Yeah. All right. I'm just waiting. So yes, coming back to Mohit Suri has beautifully directed this. I think it's one of the best music videos I've ever worked on and I've seen personally. And I'm sure you agree with me on this. And जीत सर ने इतना अच्छा कॉम्पोजिशन दिया है. स्टेबिन, हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट स्टेबिन, हु सो ब्यूटिफुली संग इट. इट इज अमेजिंग. यस. एंड स्टेबिन ने इससे पहले भी हमें बहुत खूबसूरत गाने दिए हैं. बारिश बन जाना, हाउ कैन वी फॉरगेट, यू नो, इट्स वन ऑफ आवर मास्टरपीसेस. And Stebin has sung that too. And Hina and Shahir were in it. So it's like a jodi, that's a hit jodi, I would call them. They are my lucky jodi. So yes. All right, just waiting for Hina and Shahir to join. आ जाओ यार, इतना ना तड़पाओ. आ जाओ. Oh, Red FM Indies, hi. Thank you for joining in. Thank you. दिख नहीं रहा. मैं इतनी खुश हूँ आज मोहब्बत है रिलीज हुआ है कि मैंने सुबह से 1 किलो मिठाई खा ली है. मैं इतनी पंजाबियों वाली हरकत की है मैंने पूरी. तो जिन को पसंद आ रहा है वो भी खूब सारी मिठाई खाएं और खूब सारे कमेंट्स भेजे. हम लाइक आई सेड हम रीड करेंगे. एंड yes. All right, I'm just waiting for Hina and Shahir. Actually, they were ready, so I'm just waiting. They should be joining any time. Actually, इतने सारे आ रहे हैं ना रिक्वेस्ट, उसमें मुझे ये डर है कि वो उनकी रिक्वेस्ट ना रह जाए. You know what I mean? So yeah. All right. Yes. So a lot of people joining in. Come on, more people join. I think we're waiting for the right number of people to join in. है ना? So come on, more people join. All the Hina Khan fans, where are you? Come on. And all Shahir Sheikh fans, come on guys. Come on. We're going to go live with them. All right. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, nice, nice. I can see more people joining in. Very nice. And of course, waiting for Hina and Shahid to join in. And like I said, इंतजार का फल मीठा होता है. So jaldi se we will have the meetha fal, and we will have Vishal. Hello. Lots of love, Vishal. Thank you for that heart. To you back. So yes, now of course इतना मतलब कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर मोहब्बत है, मैं थोड़ा और इस पे I could have given it more time. I would have just to spend more time with Shahid and Hina. I mean, they're so adorable. मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है उनकी गुण गाने के लिए, कम पड़ जाते हैं हमेशा. So yeah, all right. And हाँ, मुझे हीना का मैसेज आया है, so बहुत जल्दी हीना ज्वाइन करिए. एंड शहीद भी आने वाला है. सो ओके, गेस करते हैं, पहले हीना आएगी कि पहले शहीद. देखते हैं आप में से कौन सही गेस करता है. ओके, तब तक ओके. देयर इज लिली. हाय लिली. देयर इज ओके. ऑलराइट, हु एल्स इज आशु. देयर इज Anju Singh. Hi Shivi. Crazy for them. Hina and Shahid come soon. हाँ भाई, come soon. मेरी तरह सभी come soon. मैं भी यही कह रही हूँ. Alright. Yash Anand. Hello sir. Alright. बड़े सारे लोग ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. बड़ा मजा आ रहा है मुझे. एक तो गप्पे शप्पे मारने को मिलने वाली हैं, और मुझे हीना और शहीद के साथ टाइम मिलने वाला है आपके साथ. Thanks to you guys. Thank you so much. I want to thank you for this moment. Okay, Kusum Yadav. Hi, Kusum. Meghna. Hi. Vicky Vijay. Hi. Payal Love Shahid. Hi. Oh, so nice. Dr. Sonal. Hi, Dr. Sonal. अरे वाह, बड़े लोग काम वाम छोड़ के आ रहे हैं. Thank you so much. That's so kind of you guys. That's very very kind of you. And by the way, I need to tell you कि मोहब्बत है 1.5 million views क्रॉस कर चुका है, and 100k plus like आ चुके हैं. So yeah, super excited on that front as well. Lovely. कहाँ है मेरे दो प्यारे रतन, कहाँ है मेरे करण अर्जुन. आएंगे जल्दी से आएंगे. और बताइए. So हाँ, I'm reading some comments over here, and everyone's talking such great stuff about मोहब्बत है. Wow. Shilpi Joshi. Hi, I'm Dhrumi here. Hi. Okay. There's more people joining in. Surbhi. Hi Surbhi. Candy Y. Hi. Oh, that's a different name. Hina Khan Happiness. Oh, that's so sweet. That's such a lovely handle. That's so beautiful. Lovely. So, जैसे आपको पता है कि जीत दादा ने एंड मोहित ने बहुत सारे हिट गाने दिए हैं साथ में. they've done Ashki 2. Who can ever forget that? And they've done a lot of other songs and films together. So I'm sure you love this one also as well. And इस गाने को बहुत टाइम से हम बना रहे थे, बिकॉज बहुत शिद्दत से और बहुत प्यार से we were putting it together. And yes, that is why ये इतना खूबसूरत बन के निकला है. And everyone's loving it. In fact, आप लोगों ने comments पढ़े कि नहीं, इतने खूबसूरत comments आ रहे हैं. So it's really nice. Wow, I'm waiting for Shahid. Somebody just said. Okay, so are we. Okay. All right. Waiting for more people. Lovely. So many people joining, man. That's amazing. All right. अच्छा, अभी मैं कुछ और लोगों के नाम पढ़ती हूँ, है ना. लेट्स कनेक्ट हियर. सो दिस मनीषा यादव. प्लीज से मैंने मनीषा, आई जस्ट सेड योर नेम. माय गॉड, कुछ और मांगते वो भी मिलता. शहीर का मुझे मैसेज आया है. आई विल हैव टू रिप्लाई टू हिम. शहीर, मैं वायरल ओरिजिनल्स के चैनल से लाइव हूँ, सो आई थिंक आई शुड मैसेज हिम. He will have to come live on Viral Originals. So, yes, 1 second. I will have to maybe. If somebody is hearing me, please call Shahir and tell him Viral Originals channel. I'm live there. Please, 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 somebody. Hina, कहाँ हो Hina? Tell Shahir. And आप भी जल्दी आओ. कहाँ है Hina मेरी? कहाँ है? वो एक बहुत खूबसूरत गाना था राज कपूर साहब की फिल्म का, हीना का. आई थिंक मैं वो गाना शुरू कर दूंगी. देर ना हो जाए कहीं. नहीं होगी देर यार, आएंगे, और जितने देर से आएंगे उतना मजा और आएगा. सो या ओके. मैं और कमेंट्स देख रही हूँ. मैं देख रही हूँ कि शहीर को मैं कैसे जवाब दूँ. सो या can somebody message him? It's on Viral Origins. I'm live. Can somebody tell him from me? Please, please, please. Please do this for me. Okay. I'm still waiting. हाँ, लोग लिख रहे हैं पूजा शेर को ढूंढ रही है. वाकई मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ. प्लीज कोई ढूंढ के लेके आओ. उसको इनाम मिलेगा इस सरकार से. मैं मोदी सरकार से बेनती करूंगी इसको वो अवार्ड दे. सो यस, ओके. वेटिंग वेटिंग वेटिंग. लेट्स डू दिस. Yes, I am just seeing if I can actually message him while I am on this with you guys, but I don't know if maybe I'll log out of here if I do that. So yeah, message him from my WhatsApp and okay. कहीं मत जाना, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि मुझे उसको शहीर को व्हाट्सएप करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक ही इज एबल टू फाइंड मी. सो डू नॉट गो. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, डू नॉट गो. आई एम कमिंग. आई एम जस्ट maybe he'll get paused for 2 seconds. So just give me 2 minutes. I'm promising you I'm coming back. I will quickly tell him. I am back. I just spoke to Shahir. He's coming. He's joining. Do not leave. I'm back. Shahir is joining. Hina's joining. So yeah, they should be here any minute. Yes. Finally. I'm so excited. Shahir's gonna join in. Yoo-hoo. Okay. All right, so till then, there's Lovely Agarwal, there is Shahir Sheikh Birdy. कहीं वही तो नहीं हो जो सारे हमारे BTS रिलीज करते हो? सच बताओ. Okay. Then there is Realist Girl 222. Hi, how you doing? Let's have more people come in. All right. Shahir Obsessed. Oh wow. Beautiful handle. Incredible Innovator. Hi guys. All right. Anushka. Hi. Shahir has joined. Hi Shahir. Shahir, you've joined. Why can't I see Shahir? All right. Shahir's coming. Shahir's coming. I just accepted. Shahir, hi. Shahir.
Now you can see me as well.
All right. I think so.
I'm good, yeah, man. I was thinking that you will come live on your page, and that's why I was again and again checking that, and I was like, yeah, आई क्यों नहीं अभी तक?
अच्छा, मैंने ना अपना फोन वो कर दिया था ताकि फोन कॉल्स ना आते रहे. तो फिर इन सबको बोला कि 2 मिनट रुको, मुझे शहर को जाके बताना पड़ेगा. तो फिर मैं आउट इन आई फिर से. How are you doing, Shahir?
Doing good. All good. आप बताइए कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया. सो आई हैव टू टेल यू दैट हमें ऑलरेडी 1.5 मिलियन वीव क्रॉस्ड, 100K लाइक्स एंड मोर. एंड अरे हिना जी हमें वहां से हे हेलो भेजे. हिना जी ज्वाइन करें. हिना जी
ज्वाइन करें हिना जी प्लीज.
हाँ, इरशाद कह रही हूँ. इरशाद होता है कि वो करें.
So these guys,
मुझे love
we should
the
ask
request
them,
के लिए.
whoever is live with us, how do I join? So what did I do? One sec. यार एक तो कुछ
हाँ,
भी समझ नहीं आता मुझे लाइव का.
आएगा. चलो कोई नहीं, हम सब मिलके करेंगे. हमें सब मिलके करेंगे.
So bottom right में there is a add sign. Plus once you touch that, once you click on that, you will get another camera ka logo. Click on that and you will send her a request. That's how it happened for me. By the way, I've used a filter. Thanks to Hina.
By the way, thanks to both of you.
You are also.
To
Nice,
filter.
nice.
Oh,
The blush on.
the filter queen is arriving.
Okay, nice.
He's gonna join us.
Oh, nice. Hi.
Finally. मतलब क्या कहते हैं ना, सबर का फल मीठा होता है और मेहनत का फल भी मीठा होता है.
Who do you love? She's trying different filters. Yeah, I thought so.
The queen social media pro and fantastic with technology. मैं और शरीर तो बहुत ही डबकन है. हम दोनों तो बेचारे.
Nice.
So nice, Hina. Love it.
Okay. Anyway, let's just start talking. Let's just get talking. Hi guys, everybody. What's up? This is Hina Khan from her residence and Shahir from his residence and Pooja with her jackets on, all layered up and ready. And
You're in
geared
Chandigarh,
up
Pooja?
for Budh.
Yes, I'm in Chandigarh.
Nice. It's cold right now.
यही रोक लिया मुझे वापस जाने.
How are you, Pooja?
I'm very good, thank you. मोहब्बत है को सुबह से देख रही हूँ और इतने खूबसूरत कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं. Guys, firstly, congratulations for मोहब्बत है.
Thank
Congratulations to you too.
Congratulations to Violet. Congratulations to you.
Thank you. मोहित को, जीत दादा
Yeah.
को, कुणाल को, पूरी टीम को बहुत मुबारकें. Thank you for being a part of this Hina and Shahir. And
When are you signing us again? Tell that. Don't thank us. Thank you.
अच्छा, you know what? I swear I have written questions here, and that's one of कि मैंने पूछना है कि नेक्स्ट अब सीक्वल हम कब कर रहे हैं, बट वो मैं का थोड़ा बाद में पूछूंगी, तो थोड़ा डिप्लोमेटिक करके कि हाँ बोल देंगे दोनों. ये तो पहले से ही तैयार है. सुपर. तो इसी से शुरुआत करते हैं. सो व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट विद अस?
You say?
You have to tell us.
वी आर रेडी. वायरल ओरिजिनल loves Hina Khan and Shahir Sheikh.
We have only one condition, right?
Ah, it has
Last
to
time we
be
spoke about-
out of India.
Like,
अब तो बल्कि आपने पब्लिकली बोल दिया, अब तो आउट ऑफ इंडिया करना पड़ेगा.
और तभी तो मजा आएगा हमको, और weird चीजें करेंगे हम उधर.
और let's come to this one. So सबसे पहले you tell me, when you heard मोहब्बत है, the song that I sent to both of you, what was your first reaction for मोहब्बत है?
For me, it was very soothing, very melodious, and when I got to know that I have an opportunity to again work with Shahid, that was also one of the reasons. Mohit was one of the reasons I really wanted to work with Mohit. He is a fabulous director. He's got his own beautiful vision, and that you can see in Mohabbat Hai. It's a visual treat. And of course, an opportunity to work with Viral, Pooja, all of you people. You know, you all have become like family. Stebin का गाना है और मैंने Stebin से इतनी तारीफ सुनी थी इस गाने की, तो he was like, this song is outstanding. And then I heard it, then Shahir heard it. Shahid, how did you find
Yes.
the song?
So when I heard this song for the first time, I was like, I love this song. I really like this song. And That doesn't happen generally. So because I like the song so much, the very first time I've heard it. So maybe it'll not be that like what we have seen in the past. But fingers crossed, hopefully people will also love this song because this is a beautiful song. And see, V Viral has made me feel so comfortable. Every time I've done 3 videos with you guys now.
Third project with them. Yours is also third, I guess.
Yes. Both of us, I guess. Both of us have, we have done 3 projects with V Viral. And I know everyone, I mean, you, Pooja, of course, you are the one who will call me every time and tell me that this is the song and this is what we are looking for. So, yeah, but I think I'll, in future also never be able to say, nahin, main busy hu. I'll never be able to do that.
Thank you. Kind of you. So very importantly, so गाना तो आप दोनों को clearly बहुत पसंद
But
आया.
how's it doing, Pooja?
Very good, Hina. In
I
fact,
asked
we
her
just
the same question.
studied, 1.5 million views we've crossed, more than 100k likes. Reels have started coming in. तो please आप दोनों अपने fans को reels बनाने के लिए भी request करो कि खूब सारी reels बनाए. और बारिश बन जाना हमारा बहुत ही सुपर्ब और लकी सॉन्ग रहा है. मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि हम उसको compete करें, but चलो यार थोड़ा कर लेते हैं. Let's cross 3 million.
I know. Barish is like a milestone now. I mean, बहुत मुश्किल है पर.
हाँ नहीं, but why are we talking about it again and again? This
Yeah,
is
exactly.
मोहब्बत है right now.
हाँ, मोहब्बत है.
Okay, so coming back to this, so गाना आपको पसंद आया when you heard the concept जो मोहित ने इतनी खूबसूरती से डिजाइन किया था. What was your thought about this concept of reincarnation and you know the way he was thinking of designing this?
See, it's a beautiful thought. You will never get enough time. One lifetime is not enough to love someone.
Yes.
But I thought ये एक म्यूजिक वीडियो में 3 दिन में 4 दिन के शूट में कैसे करेंगे हम, बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी लुक्स. मतलब टू इमेजिन ऑल दिस मैं ऑलरेडी डर गया था कि कैसे वो होगा कैसे. बट आई एम श्योर लाइक यू गाइज न्यू इट एंड यू वर वेल प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर ऑल दैट. And Mohit had planned it very well. जैसे मतलब I think the biggest challenge was for Hina to get into those different looks because for girls you need to do your hair and everything. तो उसको वो ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट डालना पड़ा हिना को जल्दी चेंज करने में. उस पर प्रेशर भी था. आई रिमेम्बर पहले दिन से ये बात होती कि लुक चेंज करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा. एंड आई रिमेम्बर यू हैड गॉट like 4 big suitcases. How many?
Yeah,
changes. Yeah. So pressure tha charo taraf.
But I'd come all prepped up. Like I knew what I have to do in what look. I knew it very well. Like every extension, every switch was planned accordingly. So everything was very well planned. I think from both the sides. So it went well. It's interesting when you as an actor get to play so many shades in just a 5-minute music video.
Yeah.
It's really interesting. It kind of attracts you. In my previous interview also I was mentioning that I had super fun with all the looks we had in the music video. I loved to create them. I loved all the appreciation we got as a couple, that how we looked, especially in that polka dot thing, the last shot.
Yeah.
People are
Even
really
I love
liking. Yeah. So that very
that 70s look really suited you well. That polka dot and all that.
Yeah. We could have probably juiced it out a little more, but we were short of time.
Yeah, true.
गाना लंबा हो सकता था थोड़ा.
5 मिनट है ऑलरेडी.
हो सकता था.
करेंगे. अब वायरल फिल्म्स का नया सेक्शन आएगा जिसमें वो शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बनाएंगे 15 मिनट की. वहाँ शहीर और मुझे कास्ट करेंगे, फिर हम अपनी कसर निकालेंगे.
हाँ, हम अभी बहुत सारा कुछ प्लान कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक हीना एंड शहीर तो हम इफ आई मे से आई हैव अडॉप्टेड. दे आर माइन and I will say that with full pride. Nobody dare come close to them.
How sweet. Oh, so sweet.
Yeah.
So now coming back to so as you know हमने 3 से 4 दिन शूट किया था. सॉरी शहीद, मैं बारिश बन जाने का एक लिटिल एपिसोड करूंगी.
हाँ, प्लीज.
बहुत ठंड में थे और हम समर क्लोथ्स में थे, तो आप दोनों की बैंड बज गई थी. विल यू लाइक टू टेल इस टाइम पे वेदर कैसा था और आप लोगों को कैसा फील हुआ? मैंने इस बार आपको बिल्कुल ठंडे पानी में नहीं डाला.
हाँ, आपने ठंडे पानी में नहीं डाला, पर आपने हमें आग में जरूर झोंक दिया. This time it was different. It was so damn hot. Shahid would probably explain it better.
आई नो, मेरा जो रोल टाइम था आई गेस 2 सेकंड का था. 2 सेकंड के बाद मैं पसीना पसीना हो जाता था.
हाँ.
बिकॉज 1 इट वाज हॉट, 2 आई वाज वेयरिंग लाइक 3-4 layers, स्पेशली फॉर दैट लास्ट लुक, द फ्यूचर लुक. Oh my god, I still remember that. I could wear that jacket for more than 2 seconds. It was something.
इन्होंने हमसे यार. It's not a winter sequence in Chandigarh. It was like.
मतलब वैनिटी का डोर खोलो ना तो ऐसा धूप आती थी सामने से और गर्म हवा आती थी.
Yeah. They had
एक्सट्रीम ऑपोजिट दिखाया आपने.
Yeah, they had to show, I think, a foreign location or something, and which is why we were all layered, and it was autumn winter sort of a season, which is why we were like that. It was damn hot.
नहीं, बट थिंकिंग अबाउट कश्मीर से एकदम ड्रास्टिकली ऑपोजिट दिखाया.
Opposite town, yes. But I don't know. I still prefer. But if I have a choice, I would choose winters.
Yes, same here.
It's
Lovely.
Yeah.
So now coming back to again the video. तो शहीद, आपने काफी सारे अलग तरह के वाहन इस
हाँ.
Yeah, sorry.
सॉरी,
We can't hear.
आपको बताना चाहेंगे?
अब पूरा सवाल सुन
ऐसे
नहीं पाया मैं.
आपने
तरह के वाहन
शहीद, आपने
हैं, उस पर आप कोई टिप्पणी देना चाहेंगे कि आपको कैसा लगा?
आई मीन, जो नई बाइक थी वो तो काफी अच्छी थी, मेंटेन थी और नई थी. बट द ओल्ड बाइक विच आई वाज सपोज्ड टू राइड, वो काफी पुरानी थी. उसकी ब्रेक उल्टी थी और बहुत कुछ, मतलब चलाना उसे काफी मुश्किल था.
I know.
तो दैट वाज अ चैलेंज. और हमेशा एक मार्क पे लाना होता था मुझे, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर. और वो वहां मार्क पे नहीं रुकती थी, या तो पहले ही बंद हो जाती थी. तो वो हमने कम से कम 20-25 बार वो शॉट किया था.
And how much time that shot took, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
मेरा साइकिल रिक्शा रुक गया. अरे शहीद कहाँ है? शहीद कहाँ है?
आया ही नहीं.
आप क्यों नहीं रहा फ्रेम में? शहीद में
बाइक बंद हो गई है.
कर रहा है.
and of course you remember the cycle rickshaw dada who was so excited to ride Hina without the pedals. If you remember Hina, आप उस पे कुछ जनता को बताएं.
You are.
And he had white teeth. Very sweetly he would be smiling wide.
Yeah. That's a topic.
Yeah, sweet guy, but sweet guy. I really like this look. I'm gonna copy that in my our next music video.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
And why this hair change? What happened to you suddenly?
My?
Yeah.
Just I mean, I try to, for a change.
Just like that.
Yeah. It is more comfortable. Like, I like it like this. I don't have to comb my hair or do anything. Saves time.
Lovely. Okay. So quickly now, we'll just एक section करते हैं बड़ा fun सा. Hina, any fun 2 things that you can remember of Shahid from this shoot? It can be anything regarding food, regarding anything you guys did together, anything fun.
I think one was that freaking weird tongue challenge which we did. That was very tough.
Please explain.
And then the other one is, I think I have a video of it where I think I was in heels when we were in that. I think that.
Oh yeah. When you could walk, right?
And I was very tired because of my heels and all. And then in one shot, after the shot got cut, Shahid lifted me in his arms and kept on.
Why is it?
के लिए क्या ना ये footage लेती है and all of that. मुझे
Maharani.
I have it.
Nice.
Okay, and what's the egg story? Some egg story I was hearing today.
Oh my God! Stop this ex.
No, that's from last video. That's
just
not this.
Oh, okay, then we'll.
She already bullied me on that for no reason.
अंडा खा के अभी शूट पे रोमांटिक सीन करने तो
You remember that shot we had to do? मैं बीमार हूँ और ये हॉट केटल लेके आई है, गर्म पानी, स्टीम लेनी है मुझे. हाँ, उससे पहले.
Okay, got it. Okay, anything that you remember of Hina Shahid that you want to tell the public to any of her secrets that you reveal?
Of Hina तो नहीं, but I remember that that weird place we had gone to for dinner. We were expecting some really great food, amazing food.
I know.
We were sitting in a corner. I mean, the food was not bad, but it was a little weird.
मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि क्या खाना होगा.
हाँ.
And then driving to that little Bhutna Haveli, I remember Hina was really.
Oh, I like that Haveli, huh? I really like that Haveli.
Memories in that Haveli. And how much TT we played over there, Shahid?
Yeah. I mean, the
don't know.
bathrooms were a little spooky, but
Yeah.
it was fine.
Shahid and me, Shahid taught me TT and we played.
Oh, yeah, and she learned in 5 minutes.
Oh
She
wow!
actually learned TT is not easy, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
मजा आया.
You a lot, Hina.
बहुत है. Taught us both of us a lot. And it's also Patiala, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Which she used to always call it what?
Pataya? नहीं.
No, Panipat. हर बार पानीपत बोला उसने.
I know. I used to always call it Panipat, and he used to say it's not Panipat, it's Patiala. Yeah.
So which we need to tell us so she remembers.
Yeah. And then that nice tour, that entire Patiala tour we took, Shahid and me, we had some
Oh
time.
yeah. In between shots, yes.
Went for that tour, Shahid and me.
It was nice.
Nice. And I remember मुझे एक फुलकारी दुपट्टा खरीदना था और I am in this red short hot dress and I am like कि बीच बाजार में मैं शहीर को बोल रही हूँ मुझे जाके वो दुपट्टा खरीदना है. शहीर कहता चलो. मैं कहा are you sure? कहता हाँ चलो मास्क पहनो चलो कुछ नहीं होगा. फिर उसके बाद कहा शहीर मैंने ड्रेस पहनी है तुम क्या बोल रहे हो. फिर उसके बाद पता नहीं उसको क्या क्लिक हुआ. Then he was like अच्छा ठीक है फिर नहीं चलते हैं. पर आधा टाइम he was okay. He was like चलो कौन मैं देखता हूँ कौन क्या करेगा ये वो.
अरे यार कुछ नहीं होता ऐसे. मुझे I remember that walk also. That was really
Oh
nice.
yeah when we had the walk in the garden.
Sometime in between, yeah.
Yeah. That walk was also very, very nice. We have a picture also, na, near the Koval.
Yes, we do.
ये सब पूजा तुमको पता ही नहीं है. क्या कर रहे
कब हुआ है?
हमने टेबल टेनिस खेला हम गए.
अच्छा मुझे बीमार करके तुम लोग गए थे.
हम गार्डन में घूमे.
मिलाया था जल कोटा whatever it's
I know and it was really spooky. कितना अंधेरा था वो गार्डन में but हम घूमते रहे.
It was shut. हम पता नहीं कहीं से कोई दरवाजा ढूंढ के चले गए.
Exactly, the garden was shut. But कहीं से तो हम कहीं से घुस गए अंदर. वहाँ कोई भी नहीं था और हम घूम रहे पागलों की तरह. फिर बाद में then they called us for the shots. So it was all fun and nice. We have really good memories, especially in Patiala.
Yes.
Super. So let's kind of go towards let's sum it up as well. फटाफट हीना तो मुझे पता है बहुत खूबसूरत गाती है. शहीर को भी मैंने गुनगुनाते हुए सुना है. तो दो लाइनें हो जाएं प्लीज. हमारी जनता आपसे रिक्वेस्ट.
You don't want me to sing, trust me. मैं 1 साल रियाज करूंगा उसके बाद में मैं गाऊंगा आपके लिए.
Shahir, come on, yeah, you sing well.
No, I don't, and I would not want to also right now. So you please sing something for us so that it doesn't get really awkward for me. Thank you, Hina.
शहीद गाएगा तो ही हीना गाएगी.
Oh,
हीना गाएगी लिप्स करेगा.
हाँ,
ये
that's a
तो
good
लगता
idea.
ही है.
यानी मैं कोशिश करूंगा थोड़ी आवाज भी डालने की. कौन सा गाना गा रही है?
It's okay. तुमने मेरी बात नहीं सुनी. It's okay. कोई बात नहीं. Nothing new. कोई नई बात नहीं.
यार.
नहीं आई अंडरस्टैंड, वो उसका है, एक जोन है उसका.
अरे यार.
नहीं, पर नो, genuinely बोल रही हूँ, नो jokes apart बोल रही हूँ. I know he gets little awkward and we know how Shahir is, so that's
What
And we know how-
we know.
like, because we know you, जितना भी we know you, like no
Okay.
Pooja, we know him a little bit, right?
हाँ, अब तो
कह रहे थे.
हाँ,
हाँ यार.
Like-
अच्छा नहीं, हम नहीं जानते भाई, तेरे को तेरे लोग ही जानते
अरे
हैं.
नहीं मतलब. हे भगवान.
I love it. It's just the same. Nothing has changed.
Nothing's going to
Nothing has
change.
changed.
You take us on another trip, then you see.
हाँ, वो
Yeah.
प्रॉमिस हम अभी यहाँ पैक्ट करके ही निकलेंगे कि हम अगला कब कर रहे हैं और कहाँ कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, कहाँ
Nice.
कर रहे हैं तो जरूर बताओ प्लीज.
उससे आपकी दो लाइनें हो जाए आपसे. हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं आपके आवाज.
कौन सा गाना सुनोगी?
मोहब्बत है.
दिल की बातें क्या था? मुझे भी लिरिक्स याद नहीं है यार उतने अच्छे से.
दिल की बातों को दिल सुन लेगा.
नहीं, I'm bad with it. Sorry. ये बताया नहीं तुमने यार, मैं प्रैक्टिस कर लेती.
तो सॉरी. चलो कोई ना, आप कुछ भी गुनगुना दो जो आपका मन करे. Any 2 lines for the public, so that they're encouraged to go watch Mohabbat Hai and leave and make a lot of reels on it.
And later on, whenever you can, sing 2 lines and upload it.
हाँ, and upload it. Perfect, Shahir. Wonderful.
Thank you so much, Shahir. Yeah, that was something which I would
Okay,
never.
you don't have to be sarcastic now.
मतलब तुमने जो
Just sing the
Piece of advice.
damn lines.
it's in my heart. No. You know. What an advice. शहीद, चलो एटलीस्ट ये बता दो कौन सा गाना गाऊं.
वो गाना याद है आपको, ताल का? नहीं सामने. मतलब अलग सा तो नहीं बोल दिया कुछ?
नहीं सामने ये अलग बात है, नहीं सामने ये अलग बात है, मेरे पास है तो मेरे साथ है, मेरे पास है.
वाह वाह.
Super, fantastic. Love it.
Thank you.
Really,
I'm bad with lyrics. I'm sorry.
Mohabbat Hai on your. Seriously, 2 लाइनें तो उसकी भी बाद में बनेंगी, तो जरूर आप डालना अपलोड.
नहीं, 100%. अरे रील्स बनाएंगे यार, गाने लाइनें थोड़ी डालेंगे.
Perfect. Will you please tell your fans to make a lot of reels and post as well?
Of course, guys, come on, you guys have to beat your own record, and as I said, don't draw comparisons and make this song a very, very big hit, and just focus on that. You've always done that for us, for me, for Shahir, for Viral, for everyone. So all I'd like to tell you is that make as many reels as possible, upload them, and we are definitely going to share as many as possible, and on our pages. Shahir will also do it, and if he doesn't,
I will.
then I'm there, don't worry. And Pooja will also do it. So yeah, viral originals will also do it from their official page. So please make as many reels as possible. Let's break our own record of 3.5 million reels.
Yes.
अभी कैसे?
हमारा एक वो चल रहा है विच इज कॉल्ड शहीना को आप मोहब्बत करते हैं और क्यों करते हैं, तो प्लीज उस चैलेंज को योर फैंस नीड टू फॉलो एंड दे नीड टू कम बैक टू अस कि शहीना से क्यों लोग इतनी मोहब्बत करते हैं. So
Exactly.
please,
There is a challenge been thrown at you, and you guys should revert and give some nice, quirky, fun-loving, and some emotional, touchy answers that we just fall in love with you guys again and again and again.
lovely.
Yes.
And कुछ comments आए हैं which I'm going to do. Everyone बहुत एक comment है कि Shahina is their story and forward to something really big and different. So what is the next that you would want us, any genre, anything you like us to put up for you for the next project?
I think मैं मेरी पूरी कहानी पूजा को सुना चुकी हूँ कि बारिश बन जाना 2 में क्या होना चाहिए. So मैंने तो पूरी storyline लिख दी है. Shahir has also heard it. So,
Yes.
I think Shahir has only heard it. I have not told
Yeah.
you. But
I've heard
मैंने
it. And
पूजा as well.
ये वो कहानी, I think we should do it in Russia.
yes, in Russia. Oh God, this thought only excites me.
I think you and I should tell everyone कि अगर शहीद को किसी भी चीज के लिए हाँ करानी है तो you just have to tell him लोकेशन क्या है.
हाँ.
तो शहीद जरूर करेगा.
शहीद जरूर.
That's true. क्योंकि आपको
मतलब
नहीं. The company matters more than the destination, the place. Company does matter. और मतलब
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Once again, I would say, Stebin Ben, thank you so much for singing such a
Stebin.
lovely
Yes.
song. आप दोनों के, हीना के तो बहुत अच्छे दोस्त भी हैं, Stebin, and you are the lucky trio, Hina, Shahid, Stebin,
Yes.
and again we've done something so beautiful. Mohit, thank you for directing the video so beautifully. Jeet Dada for his
music
composition.
composition. Yeah.
Kunal's lyrics, guys. आप अपनी तरफ से प्लीज उनको जो बोलना चाहें just before we say thank you to everyone.
I'm a fan of. I think this is your second with Jeet Ganguly ji's composition. Your first song with Viral was also Jeet Ganguly.
Also Jeet Ganguly. Yes.
So मेरे लिए first opportunity है, and which is why I love the song, and I'm like कि ये पहले क्यों नहीं हुआ? Of course जिनके साथ काम किया उनका composition भी बहुत अच्छा था, but जीत दा अपने आप में इतने बड़े हैं, इतने उमदा है अपने काम में, so this is a great opportunity for me. So thank you so much, Jeet da, and of course Stebin though is like. He's a buddy, so and he's growing. I'm so proud of Stebin. Mohit, it was a very, very good opportunity to work with you, to know you personally, and to know that how grounded you are as a person, and what a fabulous director you are. Your vision, your thought, and the way you have planned everything was fabulous. And who else? Yeah, I mean the entire team of. What to say about Pooja? Pooja is the queen. The
मेरी तो डायरेक्टली बात पूजा जी से ही होती है. वही कहती है मुझे, वही ऑर्डर्स देती हैं फोन पे कि शहीद अब ये करना है, ये डोंट.
यार सेट पे who's there? Only Pooja.
I know. I mean, she is the one who puts all of us together, right?
Together. Yeah.
Yeah. और जैसा जो इन्होंने बोला, I mean, I would want to say the same thing. इतनी amazing, इतनी beautiful composition है कि मतलब सुनते ही मैंने आपको जैसे बताया कि मैं दीवाना हो गया था सॉन्ग का. मुझे बहुत पसंद है सॉन्ग, और शायद ये एक सॉन्ग है जो मेरी प्लेलिस्ट में भी रहेगा हमेशा. और मेरी प्लेलिस्ट ऐसी नहीं होती है जो चेंज हो जाती है, वो हमेशा रहता है. तो दिस इज गोना बी इन माय प्लेलिस्ट एज वेल.
सारे इंडोनेशियन गाने हैं. अरे यार इंडोनेशियन
पुराने गाने हैं. हाँ,
7 point something earthquake आया. Anyway, yeah, I mean,
I know.
I hope everyone's fine over there.
So thank you everyone, thank you the entire team for making this amazing song, for composing this song, for these beautiful lyrics, and for directing the video. Everyone, thank you so much.
Yeah, to the entire team of Mohabbat Hai.
And to all those people who are going and watching the video, thank you so much, audience. Thank you, Hina Khan and Shahid Sheikh ke fans for make it super, super, super bigger. And thank you so much.
Please, guys, please go. Please watch the video on YouTube. I want this video to hit 500 million at least.
Nice.
Shahid, your turn to say that.
बोलने में क्या
500 million, guys. This song, I mean, the previous songs, whatever we achieved during Barish Banjana is because of you guys. And
Of
only
course.
you can make this song big.
This magic
I mean,
again.
it all depends on you. So tell your friends, tell your family, tell everyone about this song, and ask them to listen to this song and make this the
Huge.
biggest hit ever.
Yeah.
Go listen to it on Spotify, JioSaavn, Wing, Apple, all the possible platforms. Make it super big because Hina Khan and Shahid Sheikh love you, and the more you make this successful, they will love you even more.
Yeah, and it's going to work. I mean, for more projects, they'll get to see us together. They love to see us together. They'll get to see us together more often. I mean, yeah.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Superb. So on that note, let's say thank you to Hina Khan and Shahid Sheikh for joining.
Thank you Pooja, for having us.
Thank you.
Pooja
Thank
Vidal
you.
signing off and saying I love you. मोहब्बत है को follow करो देखो.
आरजे बन गई है ये. Pooja Vidal signing off.
Killing it.
Wow. Oh my god. Pooja? Hina Khan signing off from a residence. Love you. तू भी बोल दे शाही. Shahid Sheikh. Chal. Bye. Take care.
Take care. Bye, guys.
Bye. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.